Your whole year of content in one single file. Set it up once, your platforms, content types, pillars, and owners. Every drop-down in the other tabs is fed from here, so add or remove freely. This is the main log. 1 row per post, and you only type in the yellow cells. Add a post, the date, platform, type, pillar, and title. The number, weekday, month, and week all fill themselves. No formula dragging. The cards on top just updated, total posts, published, scheduled, and overdue. On the month calendar, the new posts drop straight onto their date. Change the month cell to look at any month of the year. The post list is for scanning fast, filter by platform, status, or month. Pick TikTok, and the table plus the cards above filter instantly. By owner answers, who is carrying how many posts, and who is running late. The last column is a mini chart of each person's 12-month rhythm. By pillar is a cross tab, which content pillar feeds which channel. Underneath, a written insight warns you when content leans too far one way. Enter reach and engagement in the log, and performance ranks your channels. And the dashboard, posting rhythm, channel ranking, and content pillar balance. Switch the viewing cell to look at 1 month or the whole year. Scan the code to see the full template.